All right, Trader Coach Carver back here again with a quick tip. Just want to hit you with this, guys. Clarity within the market comes through seeing the same lens over and over again. You have to train your eyes for those patterns. So as you're going through your trading journey and you're learning about different things, you need to really start to train your eyes for it. You can't go through and just watch a video from an educator or from somebody like myself or Adam and go through and be like, wow, like I understand supply and demand now, or wow, I really understand head and shoulders, until you go through and you actually back test it and study it and train your eyes for those patterns, and you really start to conceptualize what's really going on within the markets, and you keep seeing it over and over again. You're not going to have that clarity that you're looking for, and that is just typically going to lead to more fears of failure, more fears of losses, and that's where you really have to expand your trading knowledge and to really just build up that repetition through that consistency of studying it and training your eyes for it within the market. So whatever it is you're going through, whatever part of your trading journey that you are on, as you're going through and you're learning this, you really do need to back test this. You need to understand it. You need to be able to conceptualize it and fully even be able to look at it like this, like be able to explain what it is that you're doing. Because once you have the ability and the knowledge to speak on it, even if you're just talking out loud to yourself or talking out loud to your spouse or your children or your friend or somebody, like get to the point where you can actually talk about it and break it down and teach another individual, this is what a head and shoulders looks like. This is where you look for it. This is what it looks like. You got your left shoulder, you have your head, you have your right shoulder. You break this neckline here. You look for that retest, that order block, whatever it may be, to be able to go through and actually break it down. That's when you understand it. That's when like, okay, like I've got this. I can speak on it out loud. I can, really clearly articulate myself and what it is that I'm doing. That's when you understand it. Like that's a great way to look at this, because you're going through, you're learning these different things, you're learning these different patterns and liquidity and imbalances and order blocks and supply and demand and market structure and stuff. Get to the point where like you've seen it so many times and you've went through it so many times that you have the confidence in yourself, because that's going to help you further on in your trading journey. As you go through your placing trades, you're going to have a lot more confidence in yourself, and you're not going to be sitting there second guessing yourself when a little bit of market impulse comes in, and then you're like, oh man, like I don't know, like I don't know if I was right on this. And then you go ahead and you exit the trade and a little bit of drawdown, and next thing you know, the trade goes perfectly in your direction. You're like, man, like I should have stayed in it. I can speak on this confidently because I've been there. I've done that. It wasn't until I got to the point where I could actually articulate what it was that I was doing, and being able to go through and just display it and have so much confidence in it, that I stopped second guessing myself. So go through, guys, implement this within your trading plan. Let me know what you think below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on this next one.